Hello future coders. Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo, where learning coding is fun. In this video, we will continue our draw course and our alphabet series. This time, we are going to go ahead with our mission 6, where we have to draw the alphabet E. Let's get started. We will be going ahead by using place pen, and then making sure that we turn the robot 90 degrees, then make it move forward. With 5 steps ahead, and once it reaches there, we will make sure to turn it further towards 90 degrees. Then, we will make it move forward by 3.5 steps ahead because the longer line is of 7 steps. Once it turns there, we will make sure to make it turn towards the right, using 90 degrees. After that, we will make it move forward by move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps ahead. So here it is. After that, instead of turning it, we will make sure that we simply use move backward to make it go backward. Then once it reaches back, we can turn left by 90 degrees, and then we will move forward. With 3.5 steps ahead, once it is there, we will make sure that we are turning it about 90 degrees and then making it move forward by 5 steps. Now here we go. Let's check it out. We'll have to wait for the robot to complete. If you move backward, we are coming back. After that, we are going to use move forward by 3.5 so that it can cover the last line, then turning right by 90 degrees, and then making it move forward 5 steps ahead. And yes, here we have completed and traced the alphabet E. Hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe to CodeRobo.